Myself, Sai Krishna. Now I am going to discuss about the electrodialysis. First, what means electrodialysis? Electrodialysis is used to transport salt ions from one solution through ion exchange membrane to another solution under the influence of any applied electrical potential difference. This is done in the configuration called electrodialysis cell. The cell consists of an feed compartment and a concentrate compartment formed by ion exchange membrane and a cation exchange membrane placed between two electrodes. It almost all practical electrodialysis process. Multiple electrodialysis cells are arranged into a configuration called electrodialysis stack with alternating anion and cation exchange membrane forming a multiple electrodialysis cell. Let's see. Electrodialysis processes are different from distillation techniques and other membrane based on reverse osmosis is a dissolved specials are moved away from the feed stream rather than the reverse. Because the quantity of the dissolved species is feed stream is far less than that of the fluid, electrodialysis offers the practical advantages of much higher feed recovery in many applications like filtration of water, etc. In a electrodialysis tasks, the dilute D feed stream, brine or concentration or electrode stream are allowed through the appropriate cell compartments, formed the ion exchange membrane under the influence of an electrical potential difference. The negatively charged ions like chlorides in the dilute stream migrates towards the positively charged anode. Here, the electrodialysis, these ion passes through a positively charged ion exchange membrane, but the prevented from further migration towards the anode by the negatively charged cation exchange membrane and therefore stay in stream concentration, which becomes concentrated with the anion. The positively charged species in dilute stream migrate towards the negatively charged cathode and pass through the negatively charged cation exchange membrane. These cations also stay in the C stream, means concentrated stream, prevented further migration allowed to cathode by the positively charged anion exchange membrane. As a result of anion and a cation migration, electrical current flows between the cathode and anode. Only the equal number of anion and cation exchange equivalents are transferred from the dilute stream to into the concentration stream, and also charge balance is maintained in each stream is equal. Here, this is the connection of electrodialysis system. Here, the two oppositely charged plates are placed, and they are anode and cathode, which are represented by C and A, which changes the polarity when the anions change from one side to another side. Here we are seeing the feed solutions which are placed in between the two anodes, means cathode and anode. Let's see the electrolyzed solution which we are passing from last. Here concentration of a solution is given. The overall result of electrodialysis process is an ion concentration increasing in concentration stream with a depletion of ions into the dilute solution feed stream. Anode and let's see the anode and cathode reactions. Reactions takes place each electrode at the cathode. Two electrons reacts with water. It gives hydrogen gas and two OH. While the anode reactions when water on anodic reaction gives H plus ions and oxygen, and which the Cl2 gives 2Cl, means two atoms of chlorine gives Cl2 atom plus two electrons. The small amount of hydrogen gas are generated at the cathode and small amount of either oxygen or chlorine gas at the anode. These gases are typically subsequently dissipated as the each stream influence the each electrode compartment is combined to maintain a neutral pH and discharged or recirculated to a special heat. However, some the examples have proposed collections by the hydrogen gas for the use of energy production. Let's see the efficiency, how the electrodialysis useful for us. Current efficiency is a measure of how effective ions are transported across the ion exchange membrane from a given applied current. Typically, current efficiency is greater than 80% are describable in a commercial task of minimize energy, operating cost. Low current efficiencies indicates water splitting in the dilute or concentrated stream. Shunt current between the electrodes or back diffusion of ions from the concentrated solution of a dilute could be occurring. Current efficiency is calculated according to the below formula. Here the efficiency is equals to ZF Q of suffix F CD of inlet minus CD of outlet by N into I. Here the Z is charge of ion, F is Faraday's constant, that is 96,485 amperes per mole or approximately 96,500. Q of a dilute flow rate, CD, dilute electrodialysis cell inlet concentration. CD of outlet is dilute electrodialysis cell outlet concentration. N equals to number of cell pairs. I is the current in amperes. Let's see some of the applications about the electrodialysis. The first one in electrodialysis system can be operated as continuous production or batch production process. In a continuous process, feed is passed through a sufficient number of stars placed in the series to produce the final desired product quantity. In batch proposes the dilute or concentrated streams are recirculated through the electrodialysis system until the final product or concentrated quality is achieved. Let's see another example. Electrodialysis is used to apply the deionization of aqueous solutions, however, desalinating or sparing conductive aqueous organic and organic solutions also possible. Some applications of electrodialysis are includes the large scale brackish and seawater distillation and salt production, small and medium scale drinking water production means towns and villages, construction, military, nitrate reduction, hotels and hospitals, water water reuses, the desalination, brine treatment, industrial laundry, wastewater, produced water from oils and gases production. Here are the cooling towers, makeup and blow down, metals industry fluids, wash track water. Here the pre-demineralized means boilers make and pre-treatment, ultra pure water, pre-treatment, process water distillation, power generation, semiconductor, chemical manufacturing, food and beverages, food processing, agricultural water means water for greenhouses, hydroponics, irrigation, livestock, etc. Glycol desalination means antifreezing or engine coolants, capacitors, electrolyte fluids, oils and gas dehydration, conditions and processing solutions, industrials, heat transfer fluids, secondary coolant for heating, venting and air conditioners, glycerin purification. By this, I conclude about the electrodialysis and how it uses to our in our daily life. Thank you.